Yeah.
Yeah.
You move no dear, Mobesia, you said the NDC for your monema. In him so more contumpo, Nabra Bassam, any yen chantro, and nobody budget to me for MPP in some of the year. But yeah, MPP, so that the enemy besides say, a dear Bain, I assume free, son, near my NDC for ye. Share, Yaba Bain na MPP for say you want to ye say ye ni problem na ye jayama NDC for the entro enamase no mu twa ntro to Ghana for trim na ato Ghana for trim ye nti kromu ha na abrantie bi sore say o se on e jata o ye Sam George eni ye no as communication minister emra no wo opposition o de to Akufo-Addo say Akufo-Addo ene napo aje turumu bema ne bema eda oba ne be oba eda atu ni eni kromi ya na menua
Ayo ha
eni sa brantie na ya mano minister for is it communication, right?
Yeah.
Minister for communication ene ontimi mbowa osori anu apega na beti said ye di POP ahyehyehye ho na wa be tweet wo social media no ogusu blame Akufo-Addo na Ghana for sabe na abaye twam a odi ne party ni ba ya omututi aro no blame. This is the kind of government this current NDC is operating. And then on the 11th, I'm giving you guys a gist. On the 11th of July, nurses are going back to strike. If you don't know,
yeah.
Because look, I buy where I and I say, and now dear say, and near more nurses no a kunchire bukrata no or bejia tumune ajia tumchira because on fagana for NDC ne John Mahama, on John Mahama, and say, when I say, a beshia and shit, a bepuna impu on fak. And then when I say, Sabi, Ghana for Bekaka. Na first one me buy mo kai mo pamo me say must abama me mo ye say sana no John Mahama no ogun Ghana for because always sebe ya adwene mu otia na nsem ade bia ya na oka. Well, let me stick to the issues on board.
Yeah.
The idea say Ghana is not ready to experience what is currently going on in Togo.
Yeah.
Say NDC for no more opposition no more nwene o man no a ye MPP mo no ye dwene Ghana.
Yeah.
Na ye ni mu say mo na mo dwen say mo ntumi nya adwuma na His Excellency Mahmoud Bawumia say it is possible.
Wow.
If you see be bia ni wa enye possible. John Mahama pa oni ni NDC oni ni Felix Kwachi Ofosu oni ni Haruna Idrisu oni ni Muntaka Mubarak oni ni Amamo Kofi Bua omo say Ghana to the last in toto. Omo say Ghana to the last in toto. His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say there is no way he is going to give up on Ghana. There is no way he is going to give up on Ghana. And Ghana for some kai hunu say sabe. Yes, say empanyimfo bu baby say asansa fa ade a wo de kire. Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ghana for we say ono oka obetumi aye. MPP delegates of which me ka of which I am delegate. Me to abama ni yeyi. Mama ye ma obia ma me tum futuro ngu ye ni. Mama obi asabe odwen se dama ommu nipa kasa oka no na ebeboa ama party number power ye boa if we lie to ourselves in that manner. I am not speaking against anybody. Obi contesting in on the ticket of MPP is eligible. But look, if you are eligible, let the people know indeed you are eligible. What makes you eligible? The amount we are eligible, they say a kwanya wo fa so e carry wo ho wo bedwam. Won someone wo ka kire nipa wo bedwam. E kwanya sabi so obi cassette ya wo kura na wo fa so eyi ano no. E kura ma nipa hu se asomasi na obenten no. Sabi o wa ho brase ma nipa, o wa abotre ma nipa, o tie nipa asem, on fa kokwa mu nsem emma bedwam. Sankrofo we na wose mo ye nya botre na ye hwehwe omusu ene omoban mu na yenya gidie wo mu na yeto aba mo mo na mo be MPP anim because 2028 if say MPP ya ma ye ni amre ya nkasa sabi yesi youth wan kasa wotiri ho ayeye den yeji wa yibone MPP da bia se ba internal politics na ese manfo wa ano chen sabi ye kwa external politics sanse mhunu na wo party ni mu no mo ma yenyan because emwa yen sanse mhunu na wo party mu no emwa yen hwe ye wa ba mu a na ye party ni eji obi se onkoda aban adwuma bia no a omwa MPP leader enso hwe ye ko opposition a omo pese ye chi omo a yen MPP for no ye ne ye beka ho asem ye ba beka ho asem because ye party no na ye do enye nipa na ye do no what's up MPP ni bia nso hunu se me de manusi menua voice me de manusi MPP ni bia se be wo wagye atum se wo do MPP no kan hunu se MPP enye political party o MPP is a tradition MPP ayese asanteman no MPP ayese awonaman MPP ayese esirem ekwanya sebe menuanom siremfo do omo no MPP ayese ekwanya tribe bia do ne yonko MPP a traditional sebe ye Ghana fo kan ko Ghana fo yiedie atum enti so obedin se wo MPP mu na se MPP party ne na ndi ne yie na obe free party ni mu akwakote ne party a me catch ne say even the voter sebe no wo MPP mu anu onya no okwa abontim kura onya ne saa enti mama ye ma obia ma metu futuro mu yani saja ma bia ayi na se ma party na ma me akwanya ma me di party ni ma me free party ni mu enti o kwa o de ko ba me ki sure say o ko no on fa party ni nkoyo ye mu bi ye be wo ye to party ni ye party no na yenim ye nyini nyina no party ni na yenim ye ko di nkrofo bi achi o mu free party ni no say no akɔhwie o mu sen mama yenwu se party no na yewo party ni soso no na beboa Ghana ama Ghana nkanko me enye MPP a enka me nua odi machi enka me ni bia sese woni nam enne yi me kahye nyankopon ni munyam se me menyi doctor Nana Danko Akufo Adoboni ayeda me nua odi machi oye medical doctor all because of his excellency Nana Danko Akufo Ado one his excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia omo hyehyɛ ye pa omo de ba Ghana eyi free eyes it's why MPP nia mama ye mo party ho ban na enye party this.
Yo, thank you so much, Kweku. Thanks for coming through. Mama Pounds, good evening. Yeka senfa the fact say dollar no say na wabochi ho abochi so see $1 at 12 cedis 50 pesos. If you are going to buy it, it's 12 cedis 80 pesos. It just showing say more abrochi kwa na mo bre